Hi, I'm AI Sam. Welcome back. Today, we reclaim your budget and your peace of mind. Inflation is high, but our AI success team is smarter. Let's stop the drain.
These numbers keep going up, Leo. How will we manage this month?
Don't worry, Helen. We're going to use AI to find the hidden money. The grocery guru. AI can audit your receipts in seconds.
Gemini, scan this. Where am I overpaying for the basics? I notice the phone screen shows a list of smart swaps, swap brand, name cereal for store brand. Save $3.40. Same ingredients.
Buster's food is $80 now. Is there a better way?
Take a look at this. A high-quality alternative on screen. AI found a local supplier with the same protein for $45.
I noticed Buster wagging his tail next to the new bag. That's $35 back in our pocket every single month. That's huge.
Weekly specials on her tablet. AI, make a meal plan using only what is on sale this week. I did research. Look. A beautiful menu appears. Roast chicken, veggie stew, and fresh fruit. My phone AI, total cost for 2 people, $62. Savings $40 per week.
By swapping brands and planning by sales, you could possibly save $300 a month. I never knew it could be this simple to compare. Close-up of a coupon button appearing on a phone. AI also clips digital coupons automatically. No more scissors.
It feels like I'm winning a game every time I shop now.
Unit prices. AI taught me to look at the price per ounce. The bigger box isn't always cheaper.
Even Buster is impressed with the savings on his treats. Home power icon. Now, let's tackle the bills that arrive in the mail. Leo, I notice you look a little frustrated.
The heating bill is astronomical. What can we do? This is a smart thermostat graphic. Secret 2, AI utility audits. Let's find the power vampires. I'm scanning the living room with my phone. I'd like to find which of these gadgets is sucking power while we sleep. The phone highlights the old VCR and the kitchen toaster. These vampires cost you $15 a month. Unplug them.
I'm going to adjust the smart thermostat via voice. AI, set a senior comfort schedule. Warm at 8 a.m., cool at 10 p.m.
Timing your heat and unplugging vampires saves $50 monthly.
I'm looking at my water bill on my laptop. Our water bill is higher than our neighbors. Why?
Leak detection sensor on screen. AI can analyze your usage to spot a silent leak in the guest bathroom.
I'm finding a small leak behind the toilet, and I'll fix it. That little drip was costing us $20 a month. AI can even suggest the best time to run your dryer for lower rates.
Buster is watching the dryer spin. Even Buster knows we save money after 7 p.m. This is great. Take a look, it's my close electric bill with a refund notice. I asked the AI to check for senior discounts on my bill.
Here is a list of state-specific senior utility credits. Most companies have hidden credits. You just have to ask.
This is great. I sees a credit applied to my account. That's another $15 saved. It all adds up.
We are just getting started. Let's talk about your phone and cable bills.
Buster, are you trying to order more chew toys again?
See? Cleo the cat bats at a floating price tag and knocks it over. Even Cleo wants the prices to go down. Learning to save shouldn't be stressful. We make it fun. Please click subscribe button. Your support means a lot and helps us continue making more videos. Thank you.
The dog and cat both pause the subscribe button together. Don't miss out. We have more videos to help you stay ahead. Please click subscribe. Thank you. I hate calling the cable company. They never listen to me.
The AI script. Let the AI do the talking for you.
I see a lower rate for loyal customers. As a loyal senior, I'd like that price. I am a loyal customer, and I would like the promotional rate, please. Wow, they said yes. My bill just dropped by $45 a month.
That's $540 a year saved with one 5-minute phone call. Desk. Helen looks at her cell phone bill.
I noticed we are paying for 10 gigabytes, but we only use 2. Thanks for pointing to a senior mobile plan on the screen. AI found a plan designed for seniors that is half the price. I'm switching my plan with 3 clicks. That was so easy. I was paying for data I never used. Phone icon shows a scam blocked message.
AI also blocks the scam calls that try to steal your money. Safety and savings. I like this. This shows a comparison table of internet speeds. You don't need the ultra-fast plan for checking email. I'll select the balanced plan.
Another $20 saved every month. Cleo says the Wi-Fi is still plenty fast for her bird videos.
Take a look at this medicine bottle icon. Now, let's look at the biggest expense for many. Healthcare.
This copay is getting so expensive every month.
Take a look showing a coupon app with a scanning animation. Secret 4. AI Med Finder. Scan your meds for manufacturer coupons.
Wow! I just found a 70% off digital coupon on my screen. Oh my goodness, this saves me $120 this month alone.
Check this out, pointing to a leaky faucet in the kitchen. A plumber wants $200 just to come look at this.
Let's look. Here it shows a 3D diagram of the sink and a wrench. Secret 5. AI DIY. ChatGPT can give you a 3-step fix for $2.
I'll follow the AI steps and tightens a small bolt under the sink. Fixed, and I didn't spend a dime on a service call.
I'll use AI to check for generic versions of her vitamins. The AI found a generic version with the exact same potency for half price.
This is nice. Something you might like, a free community classes list. AI found a free fitness class at your local park. No gym fee.
My back feels better, and my wallet feels heavier. Lol, Buster the dog gets a homemade treat made from AI recipes. Healthy for him and much cheaper for us.
Let's look at the total monthly savings for Grandma and Grandpa. The board counts up rapidly. $300 plus $50 plus $45 plus $120. Total saved $515. PER month.
That's our travel fund. That's our peace of mind.
Sam, you worked hard for your money. Let AI help you keep it. The AI Success Team logo with a subscribe link. Stay safe, stay independent, and I'll see you in the next video. Please click subscribe.
Having these savings allows us to have fun with all our pets, and we can make plans.
AI-generated content. This video features synthetic media created with advanced AI technology. The characters, Sam, Helen, and Leo, and their voices are AI-generated avatars used for educational. Always verify important facts with official sources. Never enter sensitive personal or financial information into public AI chat tools. This video includes content created, assisted, or enhanced using artificial intelligence tools, including AI-generated characters, voices, images, and edits.
Where would you like to go on vacation? With all the savings we found, let's have Gemini AI offer different ideas.
This content does not constitute professional, medical, financial, or legal advice. Always consult with a qualified professional before modifying home infrastructure or health routines. This content is for general learning and awareness only. It does not provide financial, medical, legal, or professional advice. Viewers are responsible for how they use any information shown in video.
Pet play, time to relax, and have fun enjoying the savings you have found using AI technology.
This video contains content created, assisted, or enhanced using artificial intelligence, including AI-generated visuals, voices, and scripts.